Hey, after 4 years of rocking iPhone 13 Pro, I decided to upgrade today to brand new iPhone 17 Pro. Matter of fact, I purchased two of them and I got them in navy blue. So let's go ahead and open this. After that, we'll compare them to my iPhone 13 Pro. Of course, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's going to be a major difference as far as size-wise and weight-wise. But let's go ahead and compare them anyway from the user standpoint. Then I'll show you what I got from Amazon for my fancy new iPhone. I got a bunch of cases. I'll let you know which one is my favorite. All right, let's put this aside. Let's go ahead and open. There she is, you guys. It doesn't come with any paper covering in the back or anything. It has the front cover. Let's go ahead and open this. It's beautiful. Feels actually fairly light on hand. And let's see what else comes in the box. Comes with a nice fabric covered. Looks like a 3 feet USB Type-C to Type-C cable. What else we get? A little bit of a paperwork. This phone in US doesn't come with any SIM tool, nothing. It's all eSIM. It may come with a SIM tray and eSIM in different markets, but in US it only comes with eSIM. It looks fairly nice. It's actually thinner than I thought it's gonna be. Which is cool with me. I like it better. There are so many reviews on this on YouTube, so no point of getting in. I just want to show you how I feel like it as an old iPhone 13 user. Here's the iPhone 13 Pro. Here's the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and put them side by side. Here's the size difference. 13 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Here's the size difference from behind. Obviously, Pro Max has a lot more advanced cameras on it, but I think iPhone 13 Pro still stands its ground. It's a very nice phone. It actually feels almost heavier than 17 Pro Max. Being this is iPhone 13 Pro, so I'm kind of curious, what's the weight on these guys? Turn our... All right. iPhone 13 Pro weighs 215.4 grams. Let's go ahead and check iPhone 17 Pro. iPhone 17 Pro comes in at 233 grams. So there's a slight difference between this huge phone and my littler iPhone 13 Pro. So let's go ahead and check out the cases I ordered for this phone, because I don't plan on using it without the case. I know there's some issues with the aluminum being way too soft and getting scratched easily, especially right around here. Around the camera island, I think. All right, so I got a bunch of cases for this phone. Originally, I thought about ordering orange one. I even ordered an orange case, but that's cool. I can rock it with the blue. Let's go ahead and start with this clear case. This is a very nice case. I got it from Amazon. This particular case feels very solid, very strong. And camera button is hollow, so you have to touch the iPhone 17 Pro Max's camera button. It's supposed to be a 3-piece case. Front and back is polycarbonate clear, supposedly never yellows. And the center part is soft TPU, fairly sturdy. Here it is. Here's one piece. Here's the center soft TPU piece. And here's the front. So any other things that I need to remove? I don't see it. Let's go ahead and put the iPhone 17 Pro Max in this. Here it is. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put this in. It has these little TPU bumpers on 4 corners for drops. I think it's pretty cool. Whoop, I accidentally turned it on. All right. This is how it looks, you guys. Very nice. I wish this was a little clear, but looks kind of sharp. I like this little magnetic section. All in all, very nice case. I'm impressed so far. All right, let's quickly move on to the next case. Only problem I see is putting it in and out of this case. It gets easier as you move it, but that's the part kind of worries me. If you drop, could be like 3 pieces all over the place. All right, let's move on to this next case. This is called JLL magnetic case. All right. This case, very nice thank you card comes out of it. It comes with 2 wipes and 2 screen protectors, which is very cool. So they're all glass screen protectors, which I definitely use it. Case itself is a single piece TPU polycarbonate right here. And I like that it covers the camera island, which is very important to me. I can see myself using this case. I had cases like this for my iPhone 13 Pro, so it's definitely a keeper. I like this case. Very easy to use. Solid protection. Not much of a lip around here, just a little bit, but that's plenty enough for me. I don't slam my phone down like this, but this is how it looks in the case, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Just to let you know, I'll have all these cases listed in the video description for you, so you're more than welcome to check it out. And if you order one of those links, you'll be supporting my channel, so thank you for that. All right, let's put this one. This is a Grecazo brand. Comes with lots of cool stuff, and this is a super slim cover case. It comes with a very nice and neat little attachment. It's TPU, so you can put it on your finger, which I don't plan on doing it. Ultra slim case. Comes with a universal stand. Very neat. So you can set your phone if you like. Comes with it's a great package. Comes with a wipe and a single screen protector, which is very cool. It's hardened glass again. Screen protector. Let's go ahead and test the case. This is kind of like a stylish case, just to give you a slightly peace of mind. Not much protection here, other than you know, kind of protecting from the daily wear and tear and scratches. This is how it looks on the phone. Very cool case, but you still expose the sides of the phone. So I don't know, but it looks cool. And it's kind of a loose fitting, slides right out. So I don't know about this case. I don't see myself putting my expensive phone. However, I like all the goodies comes with it, which is a plus. All right, next one called fashion case. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah, this is the orange one. Also comes with lots of goodies. 2 wipes, 2 camera island protectors, which is great. All right, protecting the lens and all that stuff. What else comes with this? 2 hardened glass screen protectors. There's a second one. And here's the case. Kind of a cool orange case. Again, I originally thought I was going to get a orange one, then I changed my mind. No offense to orange lovers. I mean, it's a great color. It's just not for me. And here's the navy blue in the orange case. I kind of like it. Very cool. Very cool. This case is fairly affordable as well, and it has lots of protection, kind of like this one. The only problem with it is that it doesn't have the camera island protection. That's why they included this protective glass for the camera island. Simply, it attaches right here, which is very cool. I definitely like this case. All right, let's move on to the next guy. This is a bit of a unique case. Again, Fashion Case brand. It has polycarbonate and TPU features. None of these cases so far had a button for the camera button on the iPhone. This is almost same color as the iPhone. Identical. And it has partial camera island protection. Another cool feature about this case, it has like a stand, built-in stand. I can get it out, as you see. So you can use it for your finger, or you can set it up on a table. Let's go ahead and put it on this. It doesn't come with any screen protectors, nothing, just the case. I like that its sides are all protected with the TPU material. Very cool. I wish they had a little camera button too, but that's fine. Buttons feels fairly tactile. I like that. And this is how the phone sits in the case. And this is a 360-degree twist mechanism on it, so you can adjust it any way you want. This, think like this. Yep. Very cool. You can do it like this if you want a little steeper angle. Very cool case. I can see myself using this case as well. I wish the case had a protection for the whole camera array instead of just flash and the sensor there, but that's okay. All right, and let's move on to the last case. Okay, very similar to this case, except it doesn't have the camera island protection. Let's go ahead and put this in. Completely made of TPU, except this part is polycarbonate. Again, no camera, tactile camera button. All right, let's go ahead and put it in. Not too bad. Looks very nice. Very similar. It doesn't come with any screen protector, nothing. Out of all these cases, I can see that I'll be using this one as my daily driver. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the cases side by side. Here's the other one, 3-piece clear case. Out of all these cases, I think my daily driver is going to be this one because of the camera island protection. Also feels really good on hand. Comparing to this similar case, this feels slightly slimmer, which I kind of like that. Phone is already fairly big, so anything in that department helps. And it has very adequate protection. And also, it reminds me my iPhone 13 Pro case. So this will be my favorite. So are you gonna buy an iPhone 17 Pro Max? If you're gonna buy one, what is your favorite color? White, orange, or this blue? And do you have any other ideas for cases for iPhone? Feel free to let me know. You can even send me a link wherever you bought it from so I can take a look at it. I'm definitely open to any ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I have so much content about coffee, new gadgets, phones, and things like that, as well as cases. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to go ahead and drop it under the video. I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. I really appreciate that you took your time to watch my video, and have yourselves a great day. I'll see you on the next Teo's Take video.